forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight.
Can't see it, but they just issued a blizzard warning.
In case of an emergency.
It's 4:10 in the morning. I've been waiting for this all night long.
Central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For tonight, accumulating snow is expected to begin this evening and continue overnight. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through...
There we go.
The following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Kane, Kendall, Lake and Louisville, and Lake County, Indiana. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon to midnight. Tonight, a winter storm warning remains in effect until 2 p.m. Timing: snow, heavy at times, will continue until early evening. Blizzard conditions will develop late this afternoon and continue this evening, especially near the lake and in more open areas. Wind/visibility: northeast winds will increase to 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to 40 miles per hour this afternoon, with even stronger winds near the lake. The combination of falling and blowing snow will frequently reduce visibilities to near zero in whiteout conditions late this afternoon and evening. Snow accumulations 10 to 15 inches, with isolated totals up to 18 inches possible. Main impact: snow-covered roads will make travel difficult. By afternoon, the combination of the snow and very strong winds will make travel extraordinarily dangerous. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for North